Hello, today we're gonna change front struts on our Toyota Sienna 2007. In order to get to the strut mounting, we need to remove the top, the cover over here. In order, so we need to remove the wipers right there, 14mm bolts. Got it. On the driver's side, in order to get access to the mounting, to the strut mounting, we need to remove the wiper, all this motor with a motor assembly. So 4 bolts, 10mm socket, 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm removing whole the motor wiping blade motor assembly, right? Okay. So now I have a access. It's typical stuff right there, you know. See, it's brakes. Okay, I need to remove these 4 or 3 bolts right there. Got access to the mounting. Now we need to remove the bottom of the strut. So we need to remove this bolt right there. We need to remove this bolt and these two bolts right there, and also removing this clip to hold the the cable for the sensor, for the ABS sensor right there. So for 12mm socket, removing this. So this bracket holds the cable for the sensor, the brake sensor, and then also hold the hose for the brake. Okay, so this hose, just remove it from there. Okay, now this one. So 17mm socket, so we need to remove this arm right from there, these bolts. Okay, so it's better to use braking bar or something, power tool, but anyway, we don't have power tool, we're using just a regular, pretty much already basic tool set. to remove two of these bolts. 22mm socket, braking bar. So we're trying to the next one. So we're removing the next two main bolts that hold this strut over there. So we just losing one, removing one. Just probably hardest part of the work of this work. I put the wrench over there, so in order to keep the bolt in place, and I spin the nut from other side. Now we need to remove the mount right there. Okay, this is a 12mm, 14mm socket. Yeah, it's tough. Just using a different approach. Oops. So need to release this to 3 nuts and then okay, we just almost done. Okay. Just I'm gonna leave it up. Almost release this 3 nuts right there. So just this strut just hanging right on these 3 nuts. Put the wrench under the hub, under the bolt, in order to keep this all this prevent to fall down. And then removing this bolt over there. Okay, to remove this bolt completely. Okay, last one. Okay, now we are ready to remove this strut from its place. Okay, putting down this. Okay, so this, okay, this completely down, and removing the just a second. Okay, this is our old Strut right there. Pixel. So okay, we got new one. It's a new perfect strut assembly. Okay. Okay. So what do we have? Yeah, it's this strut assembly was ordered from RockAuto, and it's pretty good. So just comparing left side, everything's the same. Okay, let's put it back. So we start reverse process. We're putting back our strut assembly. So what we need to do? We need to now we put this back. Okay, then these two bolts. The same? Yes, the same. Okay. So we're putting back this clip. Let's hold this cable for this brake sensor. Yeah. Okay, and then putting the nut. Okay, we're tightening down the bracket which hold this hose and cable. What is? So we're tightening down the suspension arm bolt right now. Yes, I'm using torque wrench in order to get 200 Newton meters on this bolt. We tighten this bolt down. Now we need to tighten this bolt too. So like specifications said, this need 300 Newton meter. Okay, now using. Okay, it's me. Sorry to put something right there. So we got one. Now we need to tie down the lower one. Second. Now we need to tie down the bottom side. Okay, good enough. New Strut assembly has a nut with a for 15 millimeter, so it's quite different. We're using 15 millimeter socket in order to tie everything down. So we mounting back the motor assembly, all this drive stuff. Okay, this way. We just putting back this assembly, wiper blades assembly, a motor wiper blade motor assembly. All this drive. Okay, we finished the installation of the strut. Now we need to put the wheel back. We finished installation of a strut assembly on the driver's side. The passenger side is a similar process, except there is no any motor assembly on the left side, so this available to remove. Okay, subscribe to our channel, like this video. Bye.